In this video, I'll show you how to fix Netflix something went wrong error on Roku. At the end of this video, I will also show a picture of my dog, which you don't want to miss. Step 1. Restart Roku device. Power off your Roku device and unplug it from power for at least 1 minute. Plug it back in and turn it on to clear temporary glitches. Now retry if it works. If it doesn't, step 2. Ensure stable internet. Verify your internet connection is stable and fast enough for streaming. Try testing other apps or run speed test on another device. Step 3. Restart your router or modem. Power cycle your internet router and modem by unplugging for 30 seconds. Reconnect and wait for full internet access before trying Netflix again. Step 4. Verify date and time settings. Go to Settings, then System, and then Time, and make sure the time zone is set correctly. Step 5. Reinstall the Netflix channel. From the Roku home screen, highlight the Netflix app. Press the star or asterisk button and select Remove Channel. Restart Roku, then go to Streaming Channels, search for Netflix, and reinstall it. Step 6. Clear Roku cache. Press Home 5 times, up once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice on your Roku remote. Roku will now reboot and clear cache, which may fix app issues like with Netflix. Step 7. Update your Roku firmware. Go to Settings, System, then System Update, and check now. This will check for all available system updates. If there are any available, apply them before retrying Netflix. Step 8. Factory reset Roku. This is only if nothing else works, so this is truly a last resort. Go to Settings, then System, Advanced System Settings, and then Factory Reset. This will remove all your data, so you need to set up Roku and Netflix from scratch. So only do this when nothing else works. Step 9. Contact support. If still after a factory reset you still have the problem, then you should contact either Roku support or Netflix support for assistance. And that is how you fix your Netflix error. I hope you found this video helpful. Here is a picture of my dog. What do you think of him? I find him very cute. Now subscribe please. Bye.